Okay, we're in Tallahassee, Florida. State capital's behind me. What you think of Tallahassee so far? What?
Great.
It's great. You love it? Where you going, Sarah Grace?
Great, so great.
What?
So great.
Also celebrating the nation's 250th birthday. There's a big American flag. Love it.